Guys, watch me as I make bitter leaf soup. Like, I've been craving for this food for so long now, so I decided to make it. Living alone. Welcome to my living alone vlog. So first of all, as you can see, I'm just pounding my guys, I was just so stressed out from pounding this cocoyam, so I'm just trying to show you guys how I look. I'm just sweating after pounding the cocoyam. So let me just show you my ingredients. Here is the bitter leaf, and here I have my ingredients here. That's catfish, that's stockfish, and also have my meat, my cow meat. Yes, I'm just checking this cow meat. Like, I can't even believe that this is a 4,000 naira meat in this economy. Ta-da! And here is my soup, guys. You can see how, guys, I really wish you guys can taste this soup to see how sweet it is. I'm not even hyping myself. So guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't really take the process of cooking the food because I'm new to vlogging, but I promise you guys that I'll be posting more of my cooking videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.